Dean Davison here, liveweatherblogs.com. Taking a look at our Roanoke area radar. We have some severe weather going on at this time down in North Carolina. We have severe thunderstorm warnings south of Charlotte. We also have a tornado warning west of Winston-Salem. This has been going on for the last half hour and been reissued. There is rotation in the storm, and it is moving mainly to the northeast at this time. Also, we have a good amount of thunderstorms breaking out west of Roanoke. We also have severe thunderstorm warnings near Martinsville, Virginia, near a racetrack. That's moving to the northeast. See, we have a whole, it's trying to cluster to a line, trying to develop back near Wytheville and Bluefield. And that's all going to head to the northeast towards Roanoke Valley about 8 o'clock tonight. I'm expecting the storm to be in the area. Taking a look in the Delaware Valley, we have a storm north and east of Philadelphia, downtown Philadelphia, and some storms up here north of New York City. It's been a happening place. We had flooding going on with a water rescue earlier in Philadelphia. Luckily, the guy was did live. They rescued the man from the creek down there. Here's a look at some rainfall totals today. We got like 4 inches north, just west of Philadelphia, a 4-inch area right there. That's to the west of Philadelphia. We also had a good amount of rain out there, York, Pennsylvania, and also down there in Baltimore and Washington. And you can see a generalized area of an inch in Burlington, Camden, Gloucester counties. And this is just from today. Taking a ride down south into South Carolina, North Carolina. We also have near Lancaster, South Carolina. We have severe thunderstorm warnings there. As you see, we also near Winston-Salem. We have that tornado warning still in effect, reissued. We also have severe thunderstorm warnings to the east of that, and a line near Athens and going past Gainesville, going towards Anderson, Greenwood, Greensville, Augusta later. This is mainly moving to the east as the rest of these storms are actually moving to the northeast ahead of it. Some of these are like multi-cell clusters, and some of them also have had the history of becoming supercellular in a way. So definitely keep an eye out, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia tonight for the possibility of isolated tornadoes. Our Allied Storm Prediction Center is outlining the same thing, where the most probable area and shear area is for tornadoes. Along with the possibility of severe weather in Virginia, North Carolina, parts of Tennessee, Virginia, Georgia, parts of northern Florida, and Alabama, we have this is the percentile for tornadic activity, where the shear is most greatest, and changing in the winds with height, where that jet stream comes down. And with the low pressure off the coast near New Jersey, up near New York City, up near Rhode Island, that area has a 2 percentile of some isolated probabilities for tornadoes. Also, Roanoke, Lynchburg area, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, where we have these current tornado warnings. There's a 2 percentile also in that area. Changing the wind with height is occurring. With some cells earlier, we can actually see I could actually see the horizontal rolling of thunderstorms. So all it needs to do is get a good updraft to pick it up and cause a tornado. And we have the most probable tornadic activity out in the Dakotas, mainly North Dakota, with the highest probability. We have tornado warnings ongoing now with a cell that's been living for about an hour and a half going towards Fargo, North Dakota. We'll keep you updated on that and see how that pertains later to if it makes it that far. We'll keep you updated. Taking a look at, like I said, the severe weather probability. Looking at the surface map, as you said, that low pressure system, that's what's going to give it a little bit of a possible rotation if some of the cells get some rotation up near New York City and Rhode Island, Connecticut area. The cold front sliced through Pittsburgh, Harrisburg. All this ahead of this has most probability, most moisture content, and lift is Roanoke and east, also Charlottesville, in those areas. And like I said, this area also has, because of the mountains, the way the mountains are at, and where the jet stream comes, there actually is some good shear profiles out there. And the best is nearest Triple Point, up here in South Dakota. That's where you're gonna have the most probable tornadoes, and this whole system is gonna move to the east tomorrow, so we're gonna have some more problems tomorrow. Let's look at that. Just to zoom in a little bit more on that one cell that we've been watching with tornado warning on it. Here's the cell right here. I'm gonna explain something to you. This just came in. There is not just Doppler indicated rotation. There is reports by the public and trained spotters of funnel cloud in the area. So if you're in Winston-Salem, keep an eye on the storm. It is moving to the east and gradually to the northeast. It is a right turner, so it does have the rotation profiles available in this aspect. Remember, funnel cloud has been reported near Shoals, North Carolina. Shoals, North Carolina. Train spotter reports funnel cloud. And just a glimpse of the forecast right here. We have 67 tonight. Shower thunderstorms, possibly severe. 89 tomorrow. Slight chance of thunderstorm. Isolated in variety. 92 on Thursday. 92 on Friday. 88 on Saturday. Each and every afternoon, a slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm. Lows will be near 70 each and every night. I'll be with you a little bit later for more information and any damage reports that come in. Remember, as I was saying, there's a train spotter reporting a funnel cloud near Shoals, North Carolina. This is Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com.